What's up guys, hope you are having a wonderful day. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Visual Studio Code for Java. So first thing you need to do is installing VS Code on your machine. For this, go to code.visualstudio.com and hit enter. This opens up the official site of Visual Studio Code where you can download the installer. So to download it for Windows, simply click on download for Windows and wait for a couple of seconds until the setup for the installer is fully downloaded. Once it finished downloading, click on open folder. Now double click on this setup file to install. Here simply accept the agreement and click on next. Now keep the default location as it is and click on next. Again next. Here it's important to check the first option to create a desktop icon and check this option to add the Open with Code action to Windows Explorer file context menu. And finally, check this option to enable the same action for directory context menu. And then click on next. Now simply click on install and it's gonna start installing. And finally click on finish. This launches the Visual Studio Code. So now that you have Visual Studio Code installed, let's go ahead and install Java. So what I'm gonna do is go to my browser and type in Visual Studio Code Java and hit enter. Now click on the first link, Java in Visual Studio Code. And here on the left hand side, go all the way down to Java and click on Java. This should take you to this getting started with Java in VS Code page. So here we find this coding pack for Java. Now to install it for Windows, click on this install the coding pack for Java on Windows. And it starts downloading. So once it's finished downloading the coding pack, click on it to install it. Accept the agreement and then click on next. Here you can see the required components on the coding pack for Java. The first one is JDK or Java Development Kit, which I have already installed on my computer. That's why it says OK here. But if you haven't installed it on your computer, don't worry, it's included in the coding pack and will be installed as you proceed. The second one is VSCode. Again, it's installed on my computer. It also includes the Java extensions for Visual Studio Code. Now click on install. Alright, after you finish installing the coding pack for Java, you can launch the VS Code by just clicking on finish. This opens up the VS Code with the required components of coding pack for Java. So now within our Visual Studio Code, I'm gonna create a new file. So you can do that by clicking on file and then click on new file. So I'm gonna name it hello and save it on my desktop. Here don't forget the file extension. So it should be hello.java. And click on create file. So we have our file created on our desktop. So here I'm gonna add some starter code for Java. Alright, so I have added my code and you can see that you have the option to click run here, but you can also do it from here using this run button as the top right corner. So I'm just gonna click on run and then you can see our output, hello world. And another thing you can do is if you want to create a Java project, just click Ctrl+Shift+P at the same time and type in Java create. And you should see this option. Just click on it. For now, just click on the first option, no build tools, and I'm gonna create this on my desktop. So click here and for the project, I'm gonna call it Java projects and hit enter. Here we have a Java project and within the source folder, you can see this app.java. So you can just click it and click on the run button to run it. And over here, you can see the output hello world. Alright, so this is how you can easily set up Java with VS Code. So if you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials. And if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section.